Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a huge PR box, so let's get into it. I am so excited. Let me turn down my brightness some. Look. Okay, so Double Dip released these, I think it was last month, and I have been eyeing them, and they were kind enough to send me a little care package. So let's get into it. There are 12 colors in here, I believe. So I'm excited to play with these. I think they are so perfect for summer, even though summer's already over, or almost over. What are we in? I don't even know what we're in, but let's get to some swatching. I have ordered more swatch sticks, so y'all will have to forgive me. There are numbers on the bottom here to know the color. This is a nice, vibrant color. Okay. I can get down with that. The brush is nice. You know, I was worried about the brush because you never know when you get, oh, this is highlighter. When you get a brush and if it's something that you'll like or not like, and I like it. I'm so relieved. Number 6. This is number 4, which this is so perfect. So perfect for fall. Look at how pigmented that is. That's impressive. I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm also excited. I feel like the last PR box I got too, I was really excited. I don't know, maybe I'm just like in a really good mood right now. This is number 5, which that might be my favorite. Look at how pretty they are. Can I do a rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. There is not a purple, or is maybe the first one is considered the purple. Ooh, the glitter. So this is number 12. I'm so relieved that that's pigmented because you never know. I'm gonna try, you know, I'm gonna wipe this off. Let me try to get as much off so I can look at the brush. Super thin. I think this is awesome. I know, because I wanted to make sure that I showed you the brush because I'm talking about the brush at how I actually like it. This is number 11. That is straight up liquid silver. Look at that. You know, like the gel pens? That's what that reminds me of. Number 2. I'm here for it. This one. I wonder how easy it would be to do a French in this. Maybe I'll try with one of the last colors. Number 1. Now that is a hot pink. Number 7. And then we have the black and the white, so 10 and 9. I'm gonna see if I can do a French. Obviously, my nails are coming off, but I wanna see how easy it is to do a French. Pretty easy. And then curve it, curve it. Obviously not my best French because I would be doing it from this way, but I'm down with that. Very pigmented white as well. I did notice that it is a little bit of a runnier consistency versus some of the other like gel paints that I have. Not that that's a bad thing, but I feel like you could get this like super thin. Like you can just like drag it across and it'd be nice and thin. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And then literally just sweep across. Obviously you gotta do it in a little bit more purposeful meaning. Not gonna lie, these were a huge hit for me, so I can't wait to use them. Then they were also kind enough to send me some jelly tips. So this is their base, so it's a 4-in-1. So what you can do is base coat essentially and top coat. But personally, I like to use them separately. So I would use this as a base and then go in with like a little bit bigger of a bead with that. But I would probably use my own top coat, even though I believe you can use that one as well. So I have the almond. This is the medium. So excited. I'll turn down a little bit because I mean, they're almost perfect, like at my current length. I mean, my nails are grown out, but like, I had to show you these guys in this video because they are so pretty and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna have a separate video on the jelly tips, so don't worry. I will link that above in a card whenever I get to it. Meaning like whenever I can put it up, and then this one will obviously be up first. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.